I am thankful today for the laughter, smiles, and tears, for so many blessed years, for your love so great, unending, for my stand-up, for my bending, for your hand when I was down, for always being around, for the sunrise in the mornings, for your angels caressing wings, for the magical sunsets at night, for your voice, for your light, for the flower scent in May, for your guidance, for your way, for the ocean, for the sea, for all that you did for me, for the memories and dreams, for shadows, for sunny gleams, for clear skies, for the clouds, for the time alone, for crowds, for birds and butterflies, for my wife's beautiful eyes, for rain and snow, for watching my daughter grow, for my home, my cozy place, for the comfort, for your grace, for family and friends, for a list that never ends. I am thankful today for your blessings like rivers pour.